on the Bateaux Parisian lunch cruise for our 35th wedding anniversary. We just got our champagne and our water and some bread, and we're getting ready to order our main course. We're gonna loop the city and check out all the attractions while we enjoy our lunch. Here's our first appetizer: tomatoes, shrimp. That is our appetizer, which is a full meal. Hello, I'm back. Bonjour. And the wine is kicking in. This is our main course: salmon and the beef. And going under a bridge. And it smells like fish. This was the raspberry sorbet, strawberry.
I don't even know what mine was.
It's like a
brownie yumminess.
brownie with pudding and raspberries.
It's like a brownie with one of our shots on the top.
It's unbelievable.